Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. It's Bella here. In today's tutorial, I created this makeup look for you guys. So if you want to see how I achieved the look, then just keep on watching. And if you want to be entered in this month's giveaway, then make sure that you give this video a big thumbs up. Make sure that you are subscribed to our channel. Make sure that you hit that bell button, turn your post notifications on so that you never ever miss a video. And then if you live in the US, then go ahead and comment done down below. So the palette that I went in with for this tutorial is the Morphe 15S Social Butterfly palette, and I really like this palette. I've used it a few times on and off camera. But yeah, the first thing that I did was I grabbed my Too Faced Born This Way concealer, and you guys know that I always like to prime my eyelids with this concealer because it's super full coverage, so it cancels out any discoloration that I may have on my eyelid. And then I always blend it out with a damp beauty sponge after applying it, and then I set everything in place with some translucent powder, and that just helps to blend eyeshadows a little bit easier. And the first shade that I went in with is Later Gram, which is kind of like a beigey, peachy tone. And I just put that in my crease as my transition shade, and I just went in back and forth motions, not being too precise, because this is just going to be like the background shade before we go in with the deeper eyeshadows. Next, I went into the shade Besties, which is this really bright pink shade, and I just put that in my crease a little bit above my actual crease. So when I open my eye, you see it perfectly framing around my eyelid, if that makes sense, or my eye socket. So yeah, I just went in little back and forth motions just to apply it, and then I went back into the shade Later Gram just to really blend out that line. And then I decided that I wanted to add even more depth in the crease, so I grabbed the shade Off Camera, which is this matte black eyeshadow, and I went in with a defined angled brush just to be super precise with this shade, because when you're working with black eyeshadow, sometimes if you take it up a little too far in the crease, it can start to look a little bit too much. So then I just went in back and forth motions directly over where I applied the pink shade, and then I went back into the pink shade and the beige shade that we first applied as our transition shade, and I just really blended out that black line. And then I went into the shade Makeover, and I grabbed a flat brush and I just packed that all over my lid. And then I grabbed my Violet Voss Copperella glitter and my NYX glitter primer, and I grabbed a small detailed angled brush, and I just applied that glitter in my crease. And then I added some liner, and the liner that I went in with is the Smashbox Vlada Petal Metal liner in the shade Black Rose. And it is a black liner, but it does have a little bit of iridescence in it, but nothing that's too obvious. I actually really liked how the liner turned out because it's just a little bit different than my normal matte black liner. And then I went in with my Sophie Bella lashes, and if you guys don't know, Sophie Bella is our lash brand, so definitely check us out. Our website is shopsophiebella.com. And I went in with the style Bahama, which I've really been enjoying lately. And we'll always leave the link in the description box down below for those of you guys that want to check out our lash brand. And then I went in with the shade Besties on my lower lashes. And then I picked up Off Camera the matte black eyeshadow, and I focused the shade really close to my lash line. And then I went back into that pink shade Besties just to really blend everything out. And yeah, I really love how this look turned out. The last thing that I did was I applied some lower lash mascara. And yeah, this is the finished look, guys. I really hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, please make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to hit that bell button, turn your post notifications on so that you never ever miss a video. Thank you guys so much for all of your love and support, and I will be seeing you in the next one. Bye!